Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're reviewing some of the best brown mascaras available, perfect for a natural, softer lash look that's just as eye-catching as black but with a more subtle touch. Brown mascaras are fantastic for everyday wear, providing beautiful definition while complementing your natural beauty. We'll go over 5 top-rated options, discussing each mascara's features, benefits, usability, and durability. If you're looking for a brown mascara to enhance your lashes, stay tuned to find your perfect match. Kicking off our list at number 1, Burt's Bees Brwon Mascara. The Burt's Bees Brown Mascara is a great choice for those who want a natural-looking lift with a formula that's gentle on the eyes. Made with 100% natural ingredients, this mascara is designed to add subtle volume and length without irritating sensitive eyes or lashes. Key features: this mascara is infused with nourishing ingredients like jojoba oil and glycerin, which help condition lashes while enhancing their length and volume. The brush is designed to coat each lash evenly, providing a natural finish that's free of clumps or flakes. Burt's Bees Mascara is also hypoallergenic, making it ideal for sensitive eyes. Benefits and usage: the natural ingredients in this mascara make it an excellent choice for daily use, as it enhances lash health while delivering a defined, yet subtle look. To use, start at the base of your lashes and wiggle the brush up to the tips, applying additional coats as needed for more volume and length. Usability: Burt's Bees Brown Mascara is user-friendly with a smooth, buildable formula that applies easily and evenly. The brush's bristles are gentle on the lashes, making it easy to reach every lash for complete coverage. The lightweight formula ensures comfort throughout the day, even for those with sensitive eyes. Durability: although not waterproof, Burt's Bees Mascara is long-lasting and holds up well throughout the day. It resists smudging in most conditions, keeping your lashes looking fresh for hours. Removal is easy, requiring only a gentle cleanser or makeup remover to wipe away completely. In the second spot, we have L'Oréal Paris Brwon Mascara. The L'Oréal Paris Brown Mascara is known for its high-impact formula that delivers length and volume with a natural brown tint, perfect for those seeking bold, defined lashes in a softer color. This mascara is designed to stay put all day, making it a great choice for a wide range of lash types. Key features: formulated with conditioning ingredients, this mascara provides both volume and length without sacrificing lash health. The wand features a flexible brush head that reaches even the tiniest lashes, coating each one evenly for a fanned-out effect. It's smudge-proof and suitable for long wear. Benefits and usage: this mascara gives a subtle boost in lash thickness and length while delivering a polished look suitable for any occasion. Its brown tint is flattering on all eye colors, creating a look that's softer than black but still provides excellent definition. To apply, simply sweep the brush from the root to the tip of your lashes, layering as needed. Usability: L'Oréal's mascara is easy to apply thanks to its flexible brush, which helps prevent clumping and ensures even application. Its creamy formula allows for buildable volume, making it suitable for both light and bold looks. The product is also safe for contact lens wearers. Durability: this mascara is formulated for all-day wear, resisting smudging and flaking, even in humid conditions. It lasts well through a full day, maintaining its volume and lengthening effect. Despite its durability, it's easy to remove with a standard makeup remover, leaving no residue behind. Coming in at number 3 is the Pacifica Brown Mascara. The Pacifica Brown Mascara stands out as an eco-friendly, vegan option for those who value clean beauty products. Made with nourishing ingredients, this mascara is designed to give your lashes a natural boost in length and volume, all while maintaining a commitment to sustainable beauty. Key features: Pacifica's Brown Mascara is enriched with coconut oil and vitamin B, which help condition lashes and prevent breakage. The formula is free from parabens and harsh chemicals, making it suitable for sensitive eyes. The brush is designed for precision, coating each lash evenly for a clump-free look. Benefits and usage: this mascara provides a natural, everyday look that subtly enhances lash length and thickness. It's ideal for minimalists or those looking for a lightweight mascara option. To apply, start at the base of your lashes and work the brush upward, adding more coats as desired for increased definition. Usability: Pacifica's mascara is easy to use and gentle on the eyes, with a formula that glides on smoothly. The brush allows for easy application, giving you control over the intensity of your look. It's perfect for everyday use and suitable for those with sensitive skin or eyes. Durability: This mascara holds up well throughout the day for light, everyday wear. While it's not waterproof, it resists smudging in normal conditions, making it suitable for a standard day at work or out and about. Removal is simple and requires only a gentle cleanser or makeup remover. Taking our fourth spot is Maybelline Brown Mascara. The Maybelline Brown Mascara is a popular choice for those who want to achieve voluminous, defined lashes with a touch of softness. Known for its affordable price and high-quality performance, this mascara offers a reliable, natural look suitable for everyday use. Key features: Maybelline's Brown Mascara features a specially designed wand that helps separate and lengthen each lash for a fuller appearance. The formula is smudge-proof and buildable, allowing for customized volume depending on the number of coats applied. It's hypoallergenic and safe for contact lens wearers. Benefits and usage: This mascara enhances your lashes' natural look with a soft brown tint that complements all eye colors. It adds volume and length without overpowering your look, making it a great option for daily wear. To apply, start at the root of your lashes and brush upwards, adding more coats for a bolder effect. Usability: The lightweight formula is comfortable for all-day wear and suitable for sensitive eyes. Its smooth application and the wand's design make it easy to coat every lash evenly, giving you a fuller, more defined look without clumping or flaking. Durability: Maybelline's mascara offers all-day wear, resisting smudging and flaking, even during long hours. It holds up well in various conditions, keeping your lashes defined and beautiful from morning till night. Removal is quick and easy with a regular makeup remover or cleanser. And finally, at number 5, we have COVERGIRL Brown Mascara. The COVERGIRL Brown Mascara is a versatile, budget-friendly option that offers a subtle yet effective enhancement for natural-looking lashes. With a formula that's gentle on the eyes, it provides beautiful volume and definition without weighing down your lashes. Key features: This mascara features a lightweight formula that lengthens and thickens lashes for a soft, natural look. The wand's bristles are designed to separate lashes and prevent clumping, giving you an even, smooth finish. COVERGIRL's formula is also smudge-proof, making it suitable for all-day wear. Benefits and usage: With its brown tint, this mascara is ideal for achieving a low-key, natural look that still brings out the beauty of your eyes. It's a great choice for everyday use, adding subtle volume and length without an overly dramatic effect. To use, start at the base of your lashes and brush up, applying additional layers for more volume as desired. Usability: The mascara's lightweight formula is easy to apply, with a brush that provides precise control. It's designed for comfort, even for those with sensitive eyes or contact lenses, allowing you to wear it all day without irritation. Durability: COVERGIRL's Brown Mascara is long-wearing and smudge-resistant, making it a reliable option for a full day's wear. It holds up well through most daily activities, ensuring your lashes remain defined and full. Removal is straightforward, requiring only a gentle makeup remover to wash away. Oh, thanks for watching. We hope this review has helped you discover the best brown mascara for your needs. Whether you're looking for natural volume, length, or a budget-friendly option, these top 5 choices offer something for everyone. Brown mascaras are fantastic for a softer, more natural look, and each product in our list brings its unique benefits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty product reviews. Let us know in the comments which mascara you're excited to try. See you in the next video.